Hey, how you doing? I just purchased this hyper tough solar LED security light. It's really not too bad. I got it at Walmart. It was relatively inexpensive. Cost me on an average about anywhere between 25, 26, and it's not too bad. So I already had it installed already. It's just supplementing my other outdoor light security light that I have. It's powered by the solar powered um, plate. I just put it under my easement, and it's not too bad. So far, it's been already charged up a couple days. It's worked. I've tested it at night, and it's really not too bad. The installment of this unit wasn't really too extensive. It only took a couple screws into the side to install the solar panel. The back plate was easy to put in. Comes off and comes back on just so you can take the solar panel out, solar light out to change out the batteries if you need to. Um, and the motion sensor is pretty sensitive. So let's go ahead, and this is the box that it comes into, and gives you other um, pictures of what it looks like. Okay. Um, Inside the box, when you get the main unit as shown, as you see, plus the panel. You get some screws with it, and um, like I said before, it only takes about roughly about 15 minutes to install. The hardest part is where I have it installed, or where you want to put it installed, the certain locations. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you right now what the unit looks like at night. All right. So if you can see it right now, this is the panel that I hooked up onto the easement. If you can see it, um, had about 4 screws. Okay. The wire which connects it, I ran it underneath all the way down to where you can see the unit right there. Okay. And this is the unit that I got going on right here. Right. It's the motion sensor that I got. Right. Um, you know, it's pretty bright. You can tell it's shining right now. And I got it on high settings. So if you can see it the way it is, it's pretty bright. I got a main unit which covers the driveway right down to here. And it that one is connected to a main unit which is powered by an electrical switch. So that takes care of that. But this one, I just needed a little bit of added extra security to cover an area which I couldn't get. So it does a pretty good job. Charges up during the day, takes care of everything at night. Okay, so I just got one more area that I gotta fix in the side over here, and I'll get that taken care of. But other than that, for the price you pay and the easy installment, it was definitely worth the price. Again, I paid about anywhere between 25 to 26. Maybe you'll pay 27. And again, the easy installation, roughly about 15 minutes, depending upon where you want to put it at. And there you go. Hyper tough solar LED motion sensor solar panel sensor light.